Today's update brings another wave of visible progress at Spotify Camp Nou, with several key construction areas moving forward at the same time. From major structural developments to the continued transformation of the stadium's exterior, the pace of work remains as impressive as ever. Some of today's advancements could play an important role in the next phase of construction. So let's take a closer look at everything that has changed since the last update. Installation of the new natural grass continues to advance at an impressive pace across the playing surface. Large sections of the pitch have already been completed as crews carefully position and join each roll to create a seamless finish. Compared to previous installations, the process is moving much faster, with the field now taking on its final appearance. The rapid progress of the pitch is one of the clearest signs that the stadium is steadily moving closer to operational readiness. Construction activity remains visible throughout the second tier as crews continue completing architectural and structural details. Work is progressing around the spectator circulation areas, while finishing operations continue along the seating bowl and adjacent structural elements. With more sections reaching completion, the second tier is becoming increasingly refined and is now transitioning from major construction toward its final finishing stages. The VIP ring continues to make steady progress as construction enters an advanced interior finishing phase. Workers are installing additional partition walls, fitting new access doors, and completing drywall systems throughout the hospitality areas. At the same time, interior wall surfaces are receiving their finishing treatments, clearly showing the transition from structural construction to premium interior fit-out. Finishing work continues across the seating bowl, where additional lighting fixtures are being installed along the upper levels of the stadium. Crews are also sealing the joints between the precast concrete seating sections and completing surface finishing works that will prepare the stands for their final architectural elements. These activities are gradually transforming the seating areas into their completed appearance. The third tier continues to evolve as workers remove the remaining temporary scaffolding and construction supports used during the cantilever works. With more temporary structures disappearing, the completed concrete framework is becoming fully visible, revealing the final shape of the upper seating bowl. Finishing works also remain active across the third tier, bringing this section of the stadium another step closer to completion. Installation of the exterior sandwich panels is now underway on the south goal mobility core. Following the completion of the interior cladding, crews have shifted their focus to enclosing the outer facade. Multiple lower-level panels have already been installed, while work has also begun on the upper section. With lifting equipment positioning each panel and crews securing them into place, the mobility core is rapidly moving toward full exterior enclosure. This steady progress is giving the structure a much more complete appearance as facade works continue to advance. Progress continues on the lamella support structure surrounding the south goal area. The primary support framework remains in place, while crews continue installing and refining the remaining structural elements that will carry the ceramic facade. These supports are essential for ensuring precise alignment and long-term stability before the ceramic lamellas are fully installed. Ceramic facade installation has now expanded to the upper section of the south goal mobility core. Rather than completing every remaining lower-level gap first, crews have started fitting new ceramic lamellas along the upper facade. Installation teams are working simultaneously to position and secure each lamella, steadily extending the stadium's distinctive exterior finish. More sections of the upper facade are now beginning to take shape as installation continues. Work on the tribuna section of the compression ring continues to advance steadily as another large steel box segment has now been installed. With this latest addition, the structure is now just one segment away from reaching the next radial beam, while preparations for the following span are already in place. The installation of these larger box sections is allowing the compression ring to progress efficiently, bringing this critical structural element another step closer to completion. Painting operations continue across the North Goal Mobility Core as workers apply the final protective coating to the exposed steel framework. The remaining primer-coated beams are gradually receiving their finished gray layer, preparing the structure for the installation of exterior sandwich panels. This finishing work is creating a uniform appearance while protecting the steel for the next construction phase. Preparations for sandwich panel installation continue around the North Goal Mobility Core. Construction materials have already been delivered and staged nearby, while the structural finishing work advances. Once the remaining painting and surface preparation are completed, crews will be able to begin enclosing this mobility core with exterior sandwich panels. The area is now steadily approaching the next major phase of facade construction. Beneath the North Goal corner falls ceiling, crews continue adjusting and securing the recently installed ceramic lamellas. Careful alignment and fastening work is underway to ensure every panel is correctly positioned before installation progresses further across the remaining ceiling sections. These final adjustments will ensure a clean and consistent finish across the completed ceiling. The North Corner Mobility Core has reached another milestone with additional lamella support structures now installed. The support framework is nearing completion, providing the necessary foundation for the ceramic facade system that will soon cover this section of the stadium. With every new support installed, the mobility core moves one step closer to its finished exterior appearance. Service installation beneath the corner cantilever continues to make steady progress. Additional utility pipes and service lines are being installed throughout the underside of the structure, gradually completing the infrastructure required before the final ceiling finishes are applied. Mechanical and service works are advancing steadily alongside the structural construction. Another major milestone has been achieved on the compression ring with the installation of a new steel box segment. The latest addition brings the structure to within one segment of the next radial beam, while preparations for the following installation sequence are already complete. The continued placement of these larger steel sections is allowing the compression ring to advance at a strong pace, bringing this critical structural element closer to completion. Construction continues to advance across the tribuna stand, where crews remain active on several fronts. Structural steel installation, mobility core finishing, facade preparation, and painting works are all progressing simultaneously. Interior works continue to move forward while preparations for additional exterior cladding remain underway, reflecting steady overall progress throughout this section of the stadium. Multiple work teams remain active, keeping progress consistent across the entire area. The corner area remains one of the busiest sections of the project, with multiple elevated work platforms operating simultaneously. Crews are carrying out structural assembly, painting, facade preparation, service installation, and finishing works across several levels, demonstrating the coordinated progress being made throughout this complex construction zone. Activity remains visible across almost every level as several construction phases move forward together. Construction continues to progress steadily across Spotify Camp Nou, with visible advancements in the mobility cores, ceramic facade installation, cantilever works, the compression ring, and the tribuna. As multiple construction phases move forward simultaneously, the stadium continues to take shape with each passing week.